Did you know that some of the foods you eat every single day may be silently weakening your legs after 60? I'm not talking about rare ingredients or strange chemicals. I'm talking about normal, familiar foods that millions of seniors trust without realizing they may be slowly draining their strength, stiffening their joints, and making each step feel heavier than the last. My name is Markus Dexter, and today I want to show you the hidden truth behind that morning stiffness, that tired feeling in your legs, and that gradual loss of balance so many people begin to notice after 60. If your legs feel weaker, if stairs are becoming harder, if long walks leave you more tired than they used to, and if you feel like your stability is slowly slipping away, then what I'm about to share with you may finally explain why. Most people blame age, but age alone is not the cause. Something far more surprising is happening. Some of the everyday meals you trust, and even a couple of vitamins many seniors take with good intentions, may be slowly stealing your strength. The terrifying part is that these foods and supplements usually don't cause pain. They don't create a warning signal. They work quietly, wearing down the muscle fibers that support your hips, knees, and lower legs. Every sip and bite might be contributing to the weakness you feel, even if you believe you are making healthy choices. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you will discover what is actually behind your recurring stiffness, swelling, heaviness, and balance problems. You will understand which habits are slowing your muscles down and which simple changes can begin rebuilding your strength starting today. Your legs are your independence. If you want them to stay strong for years ahead, don't miss what comes next. Let's begin. When you reach 60, your body enters a phase where muscle loss begins to accelerate. This process, known as sarcopenia, affects the legs first because they contain the largest muscle groups in the body. These muscles carry your weight, stabilize your balance, and protect you from dangerous falls. When they weaken, everything becomes harder. Standing from a chair, climbing stairs, walking long distances, or even maintaining a steady stride. The shock comes from the fact that sarcopenia rarely hurts. It isn't like a strained muscle or a sore back. It appears silently. One day you feel a little slower. The next week your legs feel heavier walking from the living room to the kitchen. After that, your morning stiffness lasts a little longer. Gradually you begin relying on your arms to push yourself up, and eventually you may find yourself avoiding activities you once enjoyed. Most seniors think this is normal aging. It isn't. Lifestyle choices, especially what you eat, determine whether your legs stay strong or decline quickly. Some foods silently create inflammation deep inside the muscles. Others interfere with minerals that keep the legs contracting smoothly. Some block nerve signals and slow down recovery after even light physical activity. And a couple of popular vitamins can actually weaken your legs when taken in the wrong form or dose. Once you recognize the hidden triggers, you can begin reversing the process, and it often happens faster than people expect. Several everyday foods create a perfect storm for leg weakness, especially after 60. Some of them dehydrate the muscle cells and interfere with the absorption of minerals that your legs depend on for strength and balance. Others flood the body with added sugar or unhealthy fats that trigger low-grade inflammation. This inflammation slowly stiffens the joints and weakens the muscle fibers that help stabilize each step. Many packaged foods accelerate swelling in the lower legs, especially when they contain high amounts of sodium. When sodium builds up, fluid collects around your lower legs and ankles, leading to heaviness, sluggish circulation, and a sense of fatigue whenever you walk or stand for long periods. Certain processed meats contribute to inflammation and interfere with your ability to recover from simple activities like gardening or walking. They contain compounds that encourage muscle breakdown, making the legs tire more easily. Even foods that appear harmless, such as store-bought snacks or baked treats, can interfere with your balance and coordination by spiking your blood sugar and irritating the nerves that support smooth leg movement. Over time, these effects add up, making a healthy gait harder to maintain. The problem is not that these foods are eaten once in a while. The problem is that they become part of daily routines, without anyone noticing the gradual decline they cause. Here is the part that surprises most people. 2 vitamins that many seniors take faithfully, vitamins they believe are helping them, can actually work against their legs when used incorrectly. The first is vitamin E in high supplemental doses. Although vitamin E is an antioxidant, excessive amounts from pills can thin the blood and interfere with your body's ability to repair muscle tissue. When this happens, recovery slows dramatically, soreness lasts longer, and the muscles struggle to adapt to even gentle exercise. Seniors who take large synthetic doses often notice weaker balance, a slower gait, and more fatigue after simple activity. The second is vitamin A, when taken in synthetic form or in amounts higher than the body needs. Too much vitamin A can weaken bones by reducing bone mineral density, especially in the hips and legs. It also interferes with the absorption of vitamin D and calcium, which are necessary for strong muscles and steady posture. Many older adults unknowingly consume more than the safe limit through multivitamins, believing they are doing something healthy, when in reality, the opposite is occurring. You don't need to avoid these vitamins entirely, only the excessive or synthetic forms that cause harm. When obtained from natural foods in small amounts, they are safe. The danger comes only from high-dose supplements many people take without understanding the consequences. The strongest legs after 60 come from reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and supporting the nerves and muscles responsible for smooth movement. Nourishing the body with foods that calm inflammation and strengthen muscle fibers makes recovery faster and steps more secure. Leafy greens provide minerals that help the legs contract and relax properly. Berries offer antioxidants that protect the muscles from damage. Fatty fish supports nerve function and reduces stiffness, allowing each step to feel easier. Hydration becomes equally important because the legs depend on fluid balance to transport nutrients into muscle tissue. Reducing sodium helps minimize swelling, and drinking enough water helps prevent the heaviness that appears after sitting or standing for long periods. A small amount of daily movement, even gentle walking or light chair exercises, activates the muscles that maintain balance and supports circulation to the lower body. This combination of nourishment, hydration, and movement forms the foundation of strong, independent legs. Your legs carry your entire future. They determine how confidently you move, how freely you live, and how independent you remain as the years go on. Once you remove the foods that quietly weaken them and stop relying on harmful supplements, your legs can begin to rebuild themselves far more quickly than you might think. The strength you believed you were losing to age may still be within reach. It simply needs the right support. If this video helped you understand your body better, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthy Seniors Corner. There is so much more you can do to stay strong, active, and independent after 60, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.